Hey, welcome to the channel where we're talking about everything artificial intelligence. I'm talking artificial intelligence tools, artificial intelligence, and how to code and program using Python and whatever other languages are applicable, mostly Python though. And also my experiences in AI, how I use things like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and I'm going to give you tips and tricks that will help you in your daily life and also answer questions related to artificial intelligence, those deep, scary questions, those things that we think about as AI taking over. If you haven't heard about me, I am TechEd Kirsch, and you can check out my links in the description below where you can follow me on Instagram, my other social media, TikTok, and everything. And I will give you tips and tricks and answer questions and dispel myths regarding artificial intelligence and AI tools. Okay, I'm so excited to have you on the channel. Like the videos, subscribe, push this content out because we want to get to the truth of what really AI is about and how really ultimately I believe that AI is here to help us, not to take over, if we are careful and use it ethically and responsibly and, well, you know, deal with bad actors accordingly and also update the laws. Okay, so that's a summary of the channel, everything AI from practical coding skills if you want to get into artificial intelligence, programming artificial intelligence, using artificial intelligence tools, getting into my school for artificial intelligence. Check out links in the description. It will evolve as time progresses and I add things and content to the channel. Thanks so much for joining or landing on this page, and I will see you inside.